guys. Cheese. Hello everyone, and hello everybody. Hi, ayusin mo camera mo doon. Yes, hi Nel. Hello. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Bakit? Ganyan man talaga pag live. Okay. I just wanna love you. Hi to my 6 viewers watching. Hello guys, I miss you. I miss you. I'm so sorry that I haven't live for 2 days or how many days because I'm busy. I'm not feeling good. So now I'm back. Hello to my 9 viewers.
Ayan na yung ato sa ibabaw ma.
Hi to my #1 top chat fans, to Mr. Neil Tolosa. Sarap kasing ito. Sarap no. Sarap ng chubby. Long time. Comment guys, comment. And please like and share. Share my live to everybody. And I will share guys also my live to my friend out there. Do basta ikaw. Yeah, share mo na yung like. If I had to live, what? Kasi nandito ko sa bahay, mahina yung internet namin. My internet is so slow. That's why sometimes I'm tired of going because my viewers are left because of what happened. Mainit nga, kaya nag-aircon kami. Ang anak ko, i-check ko muna. I will check my blood pressure if it's okay. Oh my. Oh. Asang relo map? Where's my relo? It's not here. Over there. Over here. Wala lang yung relo doon map. Somebody's watching me. Is my anxiety. My blood pressure is 117/70. 117/70. It's normal. So, Mamak is starting.
Pero, napay tinod ng Friday.
Don't touch my camera, Maka. Whether it's